Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Azizah Apriliani. Here I'm going to explain about procedure text, narrative text, and report text in junior high school class 9. For the first is procedure text. Procedure text is a text that is designed to describe how something is achieved through a sequence of actions or steps. It explains how people perform different processes or how something is accomplished through a sequence of steps. Communicative purpose of this text is to explain or tell the reader how to make or operate or do something through a sequence of actions or steps, and to explain steps or instruction to make or operate or do a particular activity such as recipes, rules for games, science experiments, and etc. The next is language feature of procedure text. For the first is use adverbial of sequence or using temporal conjunction. For example, using first, second, third, the last, then, after that, and etc. For the second is use command or imperative sentence such as put the dough, prepare the butter, sieve the flour, and so on. And the third is using adverbs to express the detail, the time, place, manner, accurate. For example, for 5 minutes, 2 hours, carefully, quickly, immediately, and so on. And for the fourth is using action verbs. For example, the words are make, take, put, cook, prepare. And the last is using simple present tense. Next is generic structure of procedure text. For the first is goal or purpose, which is usually the title in the text. For example, how to make chicken soup, how to use Zoom app, or how to turn on the laptop, and etc. And the second is a list of materials or ingredients which are needed in conducting the procedure. For example, the materials to make chocolate pudding are agar-agar white 1 pack, milk 400 ml liquid, 50-gram dark cooking chocolate, and so on. And the last is steps or methods to be followed in conducting the procedure too. For example, first, agar-agar cook with milk, and so on. And the second is narrative text. Narrative text is a story with complication or problematic events, and it tries to find the resolutions to solve the problems, or a text which contains about story, such as fiction, non-fiction, tales, folk tales, fables, and etc. And its plot consists of complication, then followed by the resolution. The next is the language features of narrative text. For the first is using action and stative verb in the past tense. For example, the words are sang, walked, asked, thought, loved, and so on. Number 2 is there is an adverb of time or place. For example, one time, once upon a time, one day, happily ever after, on the sea, in the mountain, and so on. And number 3 is there is a time connectives or conjunction. For example, the words are before, after, when, suddenly, as soon as, and etc. Number 4 is using adjectives that form a single unified noun phrase. For example, the Red Riding Hood, the poisoned apple, and so on. And number 5 is use of specific story or character. For example, Malin Kundang, Cinderella, Snow White, and etc. Number 6 is use of a verb that denotes of re-reporting or form of speech. For example, thought, said, replied, and etc. And the last is using direct speech. It is to make the story lively. For example, Snow White said, "My name is Snow White." So the direct speech uses present tense. And the next is generic structure of narrative text. There are 3 of generic structures. For the first is orientation. It contains the opening of the story about the introduction of characters or introduction to the background, time, and place of the story. Anyway, this section contains a general part of the story that includes what, when, who, and where the story is told. And the second is complication. In this section, the main character starts experiencing conflicts in his life, and the main character must resolve the conflicts. And the last is resolution. The resolution section is the ending story section. In this section, all the problems must be resolved by the main character. In the resolution section, there is also usually a moral message or moral value or advice that we can take from the story, and the moral value in the ending of a narrative text is called coda. The text number 3 is report text. Report text is a text which presents information about something. It is usually as a result of systematic observation and analysis. Some experts mention that its social function is presenting information about something, such as mammals, the planets, frogs, plants, countries, culture, and so on. Next is language feature of report text are using of common nouns, using related verbs that are used to describe the object of study. For example, the lion is a vicious animal. And the third is using passive verb. And the fourth is using a present tense that indicates of a habit. And number 5 is using action verbs. And number 6 is use technical or scientific terms such as the words nocturnal, mammals, and so on. And the next is generic structure of report text. There are 2 structures of report text. For the first is general classification. In stating classification of general aspect of thing, it will be discussed in general. For the second is description. It tells what the phenomenon under discussion in terms of parts, qualities, habits, or behaviors. And the last is skills to teach of English text types. For the first is listening. It will be much easier to do and complete the structure exercises. The reason is that we often hear and listen to English. There will be more and more sentences that we can use. Besides that, it can also increase the students' vocabulary. And the second is reading. Some of the advantages of reading include gaining a deeper understanding of a text, expanding vocabulary, and improving students' writing skills. And the third is writing. In writing, a teacher should be a model of English and should be able to choose the materials and methodology in presenting the material to reach the objective of teaching and learning process. And the last is speaking. In speaking, students should be able to make themselves understand using their current proficiency to the fullest. and to observe the social and cultural rules that apply in each communication situation. Okay, maybe that's all that I can explain. Sorry if I made mistakes. Thank you so much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.